Hello, this is Mike Mann, the president of Zia Consulting. I wanted to talk to you a little bit today about a content browsing CMIS application that we wrote for the iPhone and the iPad called FreshDocs. It's a free application that's available in the App Store. And with that, we'll hop right in. I'm logged into the content server with a user that has create, read, and update permissions, but no delete permissions. I'm going to show you some of these actions today. At the top level, I have no create permissions, so we'll walk through and dig into a deeper level. The first, we click into the EU damage complaint, the E&U claims into the damage folder. And if I click this action in the upper right hand corner, it allows me to create a new folder or add a photo from the library. This is an extensible list that you could add custom features to. If we continue to drill down further into the repository, which is actually browsing the folder repository of the FileNet server, we get into a section for damage claims. Once you're into the damage claims sections, there's a number of items that you can do. The first is you can download an accident report document. In this particular area, you can download the accident report, star it as favorites to save it locally, and where the iPad is different than the iPhone edition is you can actually edit. It has a reasonable keyboard for editing. If you click these action lists here, you can say things like open in FileNet, which is just this registered applications example. If you were working not in the simulator but on my iPad, you could open it in Pages or in Numbers, which would allow you to edit the actual report and save it back into the ECM repository. You can also choose to email the accident report out by typing in a user's email address, filling out the details, editing, and sending. If you pop back, one of the other parts for people that are working in the field that would be critical is the ability to edit metadata. The driver object is actually a contentless object. It's just metadata, so it's information about the particular driver. In this particular case, if you click this button, it will show you the metadata that is accessible. Most of these are CMIS content types, which don't make any sense to be editing and could be shown or not shown. For the purposes of this demo and for debugging, they're still in there. If you click edit, it'll show the actual user's name. This is an area where we can type in man, hit done, save. If I show edit again or look down farther in the list, you can see it. I'll show you that example. There, it's saved. The other thing that's implemented is there's full CMIS search capability. So if you enter spider, hit search, it'll download the application straight from the ECM repository and show a lovely spider. That concludes our demo of the FreshDocs application written for the iPad, browsing the FileNet repository using CMIS. Thank you for your time.